Before we start this video, I would highly appreciate if you check the first link in the description. Apple cider vinegar has been used since 8000 BC by Egyptians for weight loss. This age-old health remedy is made from the fermented juice of apples. It is proven to help lower blood pressure and cholesterol. This video will tell you how ACV aids weight loss, how to include it in your diet, and other health benefits of drinking apple cider vinegar. What is the best way to consume apple cider vinegar for weight loss? The easiest way of consuming apple cider vinegar is to dilute it in water. But if you want to speed up the weight loss, drink apple cider vinegar with honey. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar, 2 teaspoons honey, 1 cup warm water. How to prepare: add ACV and honey to a glass of warm water. Mix well and drink. Why this works? Having apple cider vinegar with hot water and honey has the same effect as having honey and lemon with hot water. It is a great antioxidant and works as a detoxifier as well. For a healthy start to the day, look no further than this healthy drink. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comment. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.